Still 100 miles per hour, moving north-northwest at 9 miles per hour. So that pressure rising. However, those wind speeds still staying pretty strong at this time as it is continuing just to track through Louisiana and starting to head up towards southern Mississippi. So what we're continuing just to track here is going to be those outer rain bands here locally. Still going to be keeping a close eye on these heading further on into your Monday. One of the main concerns is going to be those flooding risks, especially closer towards home, because we will start to see a lot of that rain even heading further on into Monday afternoon. So to do take a look at radar right now, still a lot of heavy rainfall towards New Orleans. Luckily, southern Louisiana starting to see just some portions of relief as Ida is beginning to track towards the north-northwest. Just however, on the other side of it, the front right quadrant, that's always where you're going to start to see a lot more of this heavy rainfall. That's what we're starting to see here. So we've already seen quite a bit of rain move on through. This is going to be persisting heading into the overnight hours. A lot more of these rain bands going to be lifting up. So the western counties going to be seeing majority of it heading further on into this evening. However, by Monday, closer towards lunchtime in the afternoon, we're going to start to see a lot of that progress further towards our eastern counties, plus also to the inland spots. So rain heading into the overnight hours and into your Monday. As I do just track some of this locally, I want to go ahead and start with the inland spots. This is where we're starting to see a lot of that heavy rain extending from Chatham to Jackson. Just some spots where you're going to start to get a little lull of relief. However, after that, we are going to continue just to track more of that rain. Citronelle, Mount Vernon, also McIntosh, still starting to see a lot of this heavy rain, not really seeing much lightning and thunder in it. But then also Mobile and Baldwin County is just starting to see some of those lighter rain showers. You can just start to see some of that lighter green. Loxley, Bay Minette, Stockton, still starting to see some of those heavy showers. Again, that's going to be moving from the south up towards the north. As we take a look at our alerts map right now, quite a bit to unpack here. First one's going to be flash flood warning still in effect for Escambia County. So we're starting to see a lot of that heavy rain in this area. Flooding, biggest concern heading further on into tomorrow. We're expecting an additional about 5 to 7 inches once we make our way through your Monday morning into your Monday afternoon. Dauphin Island, along with our Mississippi counties and areas in Mobile County, looking at the highest chances for additional flooding from that. Also, the yellow on the map going to be showing that tornado watch. Tornado watch is going to be in effect until tomorrow morning. Heading into the overnight hours, we are still keeping a close eye on the potential for any tornado warnings that could come through. So make sure you're staying weather aware. Have a way to get alerts heading into the overnight hours in case there are any tornado warnings issued. Going to be keeping a close eye on the western counties heading through the overnight hours. Making our way into Monday afternoon, going to start to see that risk extend further on into our eastern counties, so the Florida Panhandle, along with our inland areas. We're going to be continuing to keep you updated here on Fox 2 News throughout the evening. Team coverage as Chief Meteorologist Jason Smith and I are here monitoring radar. We'll have another